Hi, this is Kingsley again from SchoolConnect. Today we want to talk about the fourth step in your school setup process, and which is classes and how to set up classes. And when you get to this step, if you look at this class list here, it's actually in a sort of pattern. And if you check here, you will see just under this classes topic here, header here, you will see how it is arranged. It's arranged in name, pipe level, pipe arm, and pipe result type, and I will explain these with some examples. So if you look here, let's assume I want to add a JS class to this. I could just go to the next line and add JSS1 with a pipe to represent the space. What level is this? It's a junior class, so I can just put JSS to make it simpler. What arm is this? So this could be JS1A or 1B, or however you name your school. These days schools are named with maybe flowers or precious stones and those kinds of things. When I was in school, it was ABC. And then this is the one that you should take particular note of. You see here is scored, but if you check under here, and this is the result type. If you remember, we talked about the name, the level, the arm, and the result type. In SchoolConnect, there are two result types, and if you see here highlighted, you use result types as scored or remark only. Arm is optional. All right, and what that means is that for scored results, these are results that are collated at the end of the term. So you have continuous assessment, maybe over 40 or however you set it up, and then you have the main exam, which is over 60, that together come to be 100%, upon which a child is graded. So this scored means assessments that are typical, where exams are given and the child has to score a particular point, and they can be graded like as such. Now let me change these ones here. So crèche and playgroup do not have those typical exams where they are tested with giving paper and biro to write, and then you have to score them. You don't score the crèche class in most schools on the playgroup because they're still too young, they're still learning how to read and write, and so you change. But we give them. But SchoolConnect allows you to be able to create result sheets for those kinds of classes, and their own is a bit different. So their result type is remarks only, because most times remarks underscore only. Please, you must use only this type of two, and in the way they are spelled, remarks only and score, remarks underline underscore or only. So let me do that for playgroup also, remarks underscore only, because these classes, the way their report sheet is a bit different from the higher classes. So in these lower classes, the teacher or whoever is handling them just makes remarks for the parents to know how the child is coping in classes or how the child is behaving, and so their own system is not graded, and so it's not scored. So these are how you set classes in SchoolConnect. So assuming that you can add, okay, let me finish this one here, JSS1, JSSA, and it's scored. It's a scored class because they write standard exams and tests that are graded. All right, but you see, you can, and when you do this, make sure you click on your save and continue here, and just go on to the next step, but we'll be dealing with that in the next video. But back to classes, and just to help you understand that what we did here in classes can be done on this left side panel. So if you go down to classes and subjects, you see in steps 4 and 5 you have classes in steps 4 and classes and subjects in step 5. You can actually do this here, where you come here and you can create a new class here, just like we did with that on that side there. You can see how it shows the scored type here, CA 40 exam 60. All right, this is for the scored exam. We can change it to remarks only, which will be for nursery classes if that is the kind of class we want to create here. But right now we're not creating any class, so you can create your classes here. Once you click on classes and subjects on the left here, you create your classes here. Remember, we added the JS1A. You can see down here it's a JSS1A class, and it's a scored class. It's at the level, it's a JSS, a junior secondary level. You can edit this if you want. If I wanted to, you can edit it. You can delete it if you want to, and make it align with how your school is set up. Thank you for your time. On the next video, we'll be dealing with subjects and how to set up subjects for each class. God bless you.